Hey, welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry, and I have a white oak, 10 foot, 6 inches long, 22 inches on the big end, 19 inches on the little end, so I'm looking at around a 13, 14 inch cant. It does have a little swoop to it and a couple little knots, or some branches that were coming off of it. I'm turning this into 6x6 posts, maybe even 5.5 by 5.5. I'm gonna do what some of you have done. I'm gonna build a log bunk. Right now my goal is just get these logs done. I don't know if I'm gonna get them in the ground before winter. The ground's starting to freeze up, thaw out. I could put my auger down and auger them down, but I'm gonna make, I wanna get at least 4 6x6s or 5.5 by 5.5s for the ground posts. And that, if I can get that out of that, that'd be great. And then I can use some red oak or something for across the top for the rails. My plan is to keep them wide enough so I can get my tractor between them. Because, you know, one of my concerns is just being able to move around the sawmill, because, you know, I have this pile right here. And I know I was giving my friend Nick some crap about his pile of slab wood, because it was just, his is getting huge too. Well, mine, this is a problem you have. I burn firewood. I mentioned this before, but this stuff is always, you got to deal with it. So I got to figure out, I'm going to have to deal with this before I can get, I believe, my log bunk in there where I want it. But is it going to be in my way? So I'll bury these. I'm not going to cement them in. If I don't like it, I'm going to pull them out. We'll see. My plan is, like the rest of you, keep it short of the mill. And, you know, I think I'm going to maybe like a 3-inch height difference, so it rolls down onto the mill. And then if I ever have one I can't, or I need a special one, and I got some logs up there, I could always run around the backside where the tractor currently is now and put a log on that way. So I guess, yeah, my concern is how I'm going to move around that log bunk and carry these slabs off. So let's get this going. I've got the mill warmed up. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Hopefully everybody had a great time with your friends and family. I made this video before Christmas, so let's get after it. Mill is warmed up. So I do have a couple knots that I'm gonna have to deal with. And this is big, so hopefully everything fits through well. Dang it. I can't get past this knot. I can't get past this, so I'm going to have to cut some of that off. It will not fit through there. However, it's up against these log stops. So here's a way you can remedy this. They get you set up here. Okay, the way we can remedy this. I don't need the plant. It's heavy. So I'm just going to take these off. in my 2-year review, I mentioned my limit switches or my safety switches in the door. Let me show you guys. Neither of them work. They should shut off the machine. And I just discovered the emergency stop's not working, so I'm suspecting there's a wire off, but I just shut the gas off, so it's about to run out of gas, which is probably how I should shut it off. That Ripper 37 still cut pretty nice. So we have, let's get the scraper out, see how this look. So I use these white oak, man, these are gonna be big. Ooh, yeah. I use this white oak because these are going to be buried in the ground. You know, who knows how long it's going to be. This mill will even be here, but I don't want them to rot in the next year or two. So these will outlast me. I'm not sure, guys, if I'll even like a log bunk. You know, with the tractor, it's easy enough to put the logs up on the mill with no problem. So guys, that's going to do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log from hell, that's exactly what that was. I've been out here for 2 hours on one log just to make 4 boards. Let me just double check. I came out at 10 this morning. It's 12:17. So a bit more than 2 hours. That log normally would take me 35, 40 minutes. Something like that. Well, obviously not something like a round log that doesn't have all those branches and funny swoop to it. And not that heavy. Takes 35 to 40 minutes. We didn't do many cuts on it. Like I said, 1, 2 cuts and through everything. Well, I did get 2 2x6s out of it. So we're gonna get these done. Oh my gosh. Joints are a little sore today. What in the world? Must have some weather blowing in. I need a hose reel. Yeah, my knees are sore today.